All right, so putting into drive is very straightforward and down, and let's take it out for a quick spin. So like I mentioned, this model features the new 3-liter turbocharged V6 producing 362 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque to a 7-speed S Tronic DCT transmission via all 4 wheels, because this one does come with the Quattro system. So let's go ahead and take it out for a drive over here, and let's see how it performs. So far so good with the overall suspension. Since this does come with the air suspension, it actually feels really good. And let's give it a little bit of throttle input. Gets ups and go. You know, it's expected from a V6. You know, you're gonna have a lot of torque down low thanks to that turbocharger that they've actually incorporated. I believe this one has the new electronic turbocharger in it, so it's gonna really propel you forward compared to that of the prior generation V6. And as you see, even inside, MVH noise is really good. They've added some sound deadening, but not too much. And there's a little bit of piped in audio that's coming into the overall interior cabin space, but that's expected for a modern car. They typically do that when it comes to new cars. But sitting in here, I really like the steering wheel. It's very direct, as you see, extremely direct, and it's honestly really good. I like this new flat top and flat bottom steering wheel that we have. It's a nice, you know, 4-spoke design philosophy, or actually I should say 3-spoke, because we have the 2 spokes right here and then the one down here in the middle. But setting off, it feels really good. And then right down in the middle, as you see clearly, we have the gauge where it shows your car going within the lines, and even shows some cars on either end. So really good to see how much tech they've actually incorporated into this new SQ5. Hey Audi.
I'm listening.
Turn on the ventilated seats for the driver.
Okay, I am setting the seat ventilation on the driver's side to 3.
I really like that feature in this model, and it actually seems like it's very understanding to what you're saying. And even if you're in the passenger seat, it actually will detect if it's the passenger talking or if it's the driver, which is a huge plus when it comes to this whole entire, you know, automated sounding or system that's incorporated into this model, because this model does have some AI tech that's incorporated in here, which is pretty nice to see, you know, that they've gone ahead and started doing this for their models. But really nice interior cabin space. I really like seeing out the windows because they're very large, actually, the side ones as well as the rear. Even looking out the rear view mirror, the rear window itself is actually a lot larger than what you saw in the last generation, and overall width is even better as well. This is going to be a lot better compared to what you see in the X3, because the X3 has a smaller window because of the way that the roofline tapers off. This one, the roofline doesn't taper off too much, and it's actually very beneficial. But let's go ahead and set off again. So giving it some gas. Even in normal mode, it feels really good too. That V6, you know, the V6 have always been phenomenal when it comes to Audi products. I mean, for example, the S5 still uses that 3-liter, you know, turbocharged V6. This one still continues to use that, but the RS5 that's going to be coming out is going to be a whole different breed of model, and that one's still going to incorporate a V6. But overall, this is a really great car. We're actually going to take it to this back road and see how it feels. So we're going to put it into the sport mode, the dynamic mode. We're actually going to put it kicked down to S mode for the transmission. Let's see how this puppy drives. Oh my god, that all-wheel drive Quattro system is magnificent. The way it's just hugging these corners. There's a little bit of body roll, but it's perfect. It's the right amount of body roll, and it just feels phenomenal to drive. Holy cow, that V6 is fantastic. You guys gotta get into one of these vehicles to see what I'm talking about, because this new updated powertrain that they've incorporated with this model is perfect. And the snaps that you get when you put it into manual mode for the shift points of the paddle shifters is really precise, quick. It's not sluggish, it's not slow whatsoever. So I'm really happy to see that as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take it down this road over here. Let's see how this Audi Quattro system works out. Holy crap, the way it just pushes you into the seat is like no other. The way it just kicked down, you felt the front lift up whenever you accelerated around that corner. That is Audi Quattro system to the max. It is perfect. Perfect job, Audi. You have nailed it once again. The absolute greatest all-wheel drive system with this V6 powertrain and the 7-speed S Tronic DCT, which is a first for the SQ5. Absolutely amazing. Hats off to y'all. Now that we're over here at this stoplight, I really want to talk about the overall suspension. So since we have the air suspension, whenever you do put it into dynamic mode, what happens is the car will lower itself because of the air suspension. When you have an imbalance, it will higher up. We even have an off-road mode over here, just in case if you do end up wanting to go like a little bit more off-roading. You can even add off-road plus and it will lift up to the maximum amount of height for this vehicle. But I think it's just fantastic that they've added an air suspension, especially in this competition field, that the X3, the Mercedes equivalent, the GLC model, even the GV70 from Genesis don't even incorporate a air suspension for a class that what in this vehicle is just crazy. I'm really happy to see that Audi went ahead and went the lengths to incorporate air suspension. All right, so let's go ahead and see how it feels. Holy cow, man. I can only imagine what the S5 will feel like, but even for an SUV of this size, the way it just moves and you feel that kick down of that transmission shifting gears is like no other. Honestly, hats off to Audi for doing such a model like this. Now I want to give a huge shout out once again to Audi Miami South for allowing me to film this vehicle. If y'all are interested in purchasing this SQ5 or any other Audi products, make sure to go ahead and contact Florin, and make sure to go ahead and use promo code Let's Go Florin for additional savings. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.